Roanoke, Virginia attorney John P. Fishwick Jr. There are attorneys, and then there are attorneys other attorneys call. John P. Fishwick Jr. is the second kind. As the founder of Fishwick Associates PLC, John brings a unique perspective to serious personal injury cases and federal criminal matters throughout Virginia. Before founding his law firm, John served as the United States Attorney for the Western District of Virginia, the chief law enforcement officer for the entire Western District. That role placed him inside the federal system at its highest operational level, working alongside federal agencies, litigating complex cases, and developing a first-hand understanding of how institutions, insurers, and prosecutors approach high-stakes matters. He now applies that background to the people on the other side of those institutions. John P. Fishwick Jr. built a reputation in Virginia long before the internet made reputations easier to build. His peers named him to the Virginia Super Lawyers and Best Lawyers of America, selected him repeatedly. Virginia Business Magazine has placed him on the Legal Elite list and the Virginia 500 Power List in multiple recent years. Martindale-Hubbell has awarded him the AV Preeminent rating, the highest peer-review designation available in the legal profession. Other Virginia attorneys regularly refer their most complex cases to John. When a lawyer knows their client needs someone with deep trial experience and serious courtroom presence, Fishwick Associates PLC is where they send them. John's experience as United States Attorney for the Western District of Virginia from 2015 to 2017 gives him a view of litigation that most trial lawyers simply do not have. He has seen how the federal government builds cases, how defense teams respond, how large institutional defendants assess risk, and where the pressure points are in complex litigation. Whether he is representing an injury victim or someone facing federal charges, John brings that analytical framework to the case. When major cases break in the news, national outlets call attorneys who can explain what is actually happening in the law. John P. Fishwick Jr. has appeared as a legal commentator on News Nation, CNN, MSNBC, Fox Business News, and Sinclair Broadcasting. The New York Times, The Wall Street Journal, The Washington Post, and The Washington Examiner have all quoted him on matters of national legal significance. The same legal depth that media producers and journalists have found in his analysis over many years goes into every case the firm handles. When someone is seriously injured because of another party's negligence, insurance companies move quickly to protect their interests. The value of a serious injury claim depends heavily on how well it is built and presented. John obtained a $1.2 million settlement in January 2023 for a client injured by another party's negligence. He has represented families in wrongful death cases and individuals whose injuries have permanently changed their lives. Federal criminal cases present a different category of legal challenge, with substantial government resources, complex procedural rules, and serious consequences of conviction. John spent 2 years as the chief federal law enforcement officer for the Western District of Virginia and knows exactly how federal cases are built and where they are vulnerable. Many clients facing federal criminal matters come to John through referrals from other attorneys who recognize that this type of case requires a specific kind of experience. Contact Fishwick Associates PLC at 540-345-5890. Located at 30 Franklin RD SWC 700, Roanoke, Virginia 24011, to schedule your consultation today.